Hello, this is my my favourite easy chord, and it's a lot of my students' favourite easy chord. It's super easy because we're actually not going to be using any fingers in our fretting hand for this one, okay? So this is the E minor chord, and remember that the reason we're doing this is just to help beginners, especially young beginners, get into playing the guitar, to pick it up and play some simple chord progressions. So anyway, this one's super easy. It's E minor, and all we're going to do for this one is we're gonna strum the first three strings. You can use your thumb, you can use a pick, your plectrum, what you want to call it. Strum down. That's it. Simple as that. Okay. I think you'll find it'll sound nice. So once you start putting it into a chord progression, and you can actually hear what it's trying to do. Okay, but it's simple as that. Now this only works if you play the three strings. If you play four strings, it's not an E minor anymore. Okay, it's something else. We're not going to worry about that today because we're just going to aim to not hit these thicker three strings. Okay. For these exercises, for these easy chords, all we're doing is playing the three smallest strings. Now remember, when we number our strings, we call the first string here, the little one, that's string 1, okay? This one's not string 1, this is string 6, okay? So let's try and get that right from the start if you can, okay? So we're only using string 1, 2 and 3. We put your thumb or your pick on string 3 and strum. Now, try and make sure each note rings out clearly. I mean, it should. If it's not, then there's maybe something up here. Maybe you've got a pick stuck in here from when you've had it in your guitar case. Okay, so keep an eye out for that. I've done that before. You could, if you want something to do to work on your E minor chord. I know this is almost ridiculous because it's that easy. But you could still try and be musical about this. Try and make up your own little melodies in there with the three notes. Try and sing along with it, You can make up anything, up to you. Have fun with it, be musical with it, strum it along with a beat. You can be clicking your fingers off your free hand, make it into like a coordination exercise if you like, okay? There's no reason to just totally think, this is too easy, I'm never going to practice it, okay? It's E minor, say the name of the chord as you play it, E minor, learn its name, and then when you start tying this in with the other chords that we've been looking at, it should be good, eh? Anyway, have fun with that. Good luck.